Got tires. And eventually we got it. We'll show you the method real quick. Got tires and got the 20x12s and the tires on the 20x12s with no tire machine in the middle of a fucking blizzard. Yeah, manhandling tires with these ain't the easiest, but 3 out of 4 done. This is what it's come down to. Come on! God damn it. Nothing, no. Took a little bit. Had to stop being a little Sally. And then, just like that. That's how you get it done. Get it at home. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That one didn't work. Need more juice? Come on! Come on. No, so unfortunately, because I used deodorant in the last two, they ain't sealing with the old starting fluid trick, so those are gonna go to work and get cheetah blasted. But we got 2 out of 4 for now, so yeah. Got 3 out of 4, but ran out of starting fluid, so that's a wrap for this one. I was being awfully resilient because I just wanted to get this done, so all I'd have to do is bring it to work tomorrow in theory. Balance them. Looks like I'm not going to work tomorrow, so I will find more starting fluid. I am going to bring this inside so that way it can warm up and dry off, because that's what we did with that third one after putting deodorant and shit on it. So we're going to dry this guy off with Jesus, this guy's glorified parts holder. Oh my god, I'm getting these out of here. These can get. There we go. This is the bro house. Got the last one. Ah. Very nice, very nice. They rub like crazy, but they look good. These tires are chopped, so it rides like booty do. They do rip. They hook and book. What up, E-dubs? Woo! Easy. Holla back, yo.
Holla.
See you, brother.
Later, guys.
I have some cool coworkers. Definitely destroyed my fender liner. Whatever. We don't care. Scene points, bro. On the plus side, the caster is far enough back to where I can turn and clear my front bumper. So quite frankly, that's all I give a damn about. But yeah, we're a brother now. We are a brother now.